This is Joanne Muse of the Tax Lien Lady, and today I want to tell you about my 2013 Tax Lien Investing Conference, sponsored by Platinum Investment Properties West and TaxLienLady.com. So why would you want to listen to us anyway? Why would you want to come to our conference? Well, last year I had my first conference here in northeastern Pennsylvania, and it was a huge success. Everybody loved it. You can watch the testimonials, listen to some of the testimonials on the webpage for the conference at taxlienlady.com/conference. But before you go there, let me tell you a little bit about what we're going to be doing this year at this year's conference. This year we're going to be talking about low-risk stock market alternatives for 2013. We'll be talking about tax lien certificates, of course, because, of yours truly, the Tax Lien Lady, redeemable tax deeds, turnkey cash flow properties in prime locations, okay? Those are the main things we're going to be talking about at the conference. Now, it's going to be one full day of education from experts, instruction for investing in tax liens and deeds on your own, and encouragement for those of you who need help, not only from me and Pip West and the other speakers, but from the other investors that are there at the conference, helping each other out and learning from each other and networking with one another. And you're also going to learn how to have somebody else do this for you, some done-for-you opportunities, and how to automate your investing. So spend all day Friday, April 26th with Pip West and the Tax Lien Lady, that's me, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Friday, April 26th, again, this year, 2013. Then join us for the REI Expo Saturday and Sunday. And this year, again, we're going to be talking about how to profit from tax liens, redeemable deeds, and turnkey cash flow properties. You're going to learn about tax lien certificates, a safe alternative to the stock market, redeemable tax deed investing in states with the highest returns, turnkey cash flow properties in prime areas. It's a great time to buy real estate. It's just not a great time to sell it everywhere, right? America's on sale right now. However, you have to be careful where you buy because you might not be able to sell, or you might not be able to get your money out. Well, these properties are in prime areas. There are pockets in the country where property is still selling at reasonable prices and where rents are very good. And people want to live there. So these properties are in those areas. And these are turnkey cash flow properties. So you just step in and you start collecting a return on your investment, at least a 15% return. And that's what we're going to talk about. And also how to invest easily with money from your self-directed IRA. And again, done for you investing opportunities like those turnkey cash flow properties. Okay. And solutions for foreign investors. Okay. Sometimes it's difficult for foreign investors to invest in tax liens and tax deeds because they need to have certain things. You need to have a U.S. LLC, or you at least need to have a tax ID number and a U.S. bank account. And we're going to give you a solution to get those a little more quickly and easily than you could otherwise. Okay, so it is going to be at the Radisson Plaza Lord Baltimore Hotel. And it's a beautiful hotel. You can see the picture of the lobby and the picture of the rooms here. And let me tell you, I found out some great deals for you too that I'm going to tell you about. First of all, how much does it cost to come to the seminar? Well, Friday is $97 per person. That's just for our conference, which is all day Friday. It includes breakfast and an afternoon snack. Lunch and dinner are on your own. And for my members, you get a deeply discounted price of $29. So if you want to save money on the conference, you want to become a member, you can find out more about membership at taxlienlady.com/membership main with a capital M for membership, capital M for main, .htm. Okay, that's taxlienlady.com/membership main, capital M, for membership, capital M for Maine, .htm. It's not on the slide, so you have to pay attention here. Okay. And membership is $49.95 per month. And members, not only do they get monthly trainings with me, but they also get discounts, a deep discount on the conference. Now, if you want to go to the REI Expo, there is early bird registration for that at reiexpo.com. That is $89 per person while it's available, while the early bird prices are available. Now, you can also save some money. You can save $21 when you register for both the Tax Lien Investing Conference on Friday and REI Expo. You could get that registration for only $165 while the early bird prices are available. And you could get that at taxlienlady.com/conference. And conference is all lowercase, by the way. Okay. Now the Radisson is connected to the Sheraton Baltimore City Center. That is the site of the REI Expo. So don't let that throw you that it's at a different hotel. They are connected by a bridge that goes, maybe you could see this bridge. Let me see if I get my mouse. Here's the bridge that connects the two. Here is the Radisson. And here is the Sheraton. Again, here's the Radisson right here. You could see the bridge right here. Okay, so the information I gave you is for the Radisson. That's where our conference will be. The REI Expo is here at the Sheraton Baltimore City Center. Now, you're going to want to stay at the Radisson, especially if you have a AAA card, because I found a great discount that I'll tell you about in a minute. All right, for travel arrangements, you're going to want to fly into Baltimore, BWI. It's about 20 or 30 minutes from the hotel. There's no shuttle. It's about a $35 taxi ride, but there is a light rail to University Center, which is only 2 blocks from the hotel, for only $1.60. Okay, I've researched this. I know how to save you money, folks. I'll be driving down, so I won't be flying in, but if you're flying in, this is how to do it. Now, lodging, the Radisson Plaza Lord Baltimore. Now, this is what I did. This is the most value. If you have a AAA card, if you don't, get one, because you'll make back the price of the card just with this reservation. You reserve with your AAA discount, and you'll get the Radisson at $79 a night. That's practically half price. Okay, or you can get a discounted rate at the Sheraton Baltimore City with the REI Expo, but guess what? You're going to pay $139 a night, and after taxes it's $160. So, get that little AAA card out and go to the Radisson to reserve your room. Okay, so take action now. Don't wait, because these early bird prices won't last. Go to taxlienlady.com/conference. You'll get more detailed information about the conference as we have more details. We don't have all the speakers listed yet or the agenda on there yet. We will as we get closer. But I've given you the information that you need to know. Okay, so go to taxlienlady.com/conference to register. And I will see you in April in Baltimore.